Hey everybody, this is Mark from the Geek Church, and we got one more review. I know that sounds. We've got two new products here. The first is the Earclip S12, and this is the Pixie Mini wireless microphone. We're going to be opening both up, trying them out right after this. Okay, so let's start with the Earclip, and this looks like some really interesting set of phones here. And they look like they have a very unique shape, which I have to admit, I wasn't expecting. But then again, I've reviewed a lot of 1More products here, and I always love what they have to offer. So something tells me I'm going to love this. As soon as I get the box off, this is quite a tricky unboxing. All right. Yeah. Okay, dude, I thought we'd never get that done. Anyway. So, here they are right here. Comes in this kind of form here. So, okay. So, are they actually in here? I'd be surprised. Oh, they are. Okay. So, there they are right there. I'm not going to do the will you marry me thing. Although just referencing it is probably doing it, isn't it? Anyway, so as you can see, they're set up kind of oddly. They've got this kind of ear clip thing. How in the world did they even get on there? All right, I'm going to have to find out here. Tis going to be a mystery. Okay. Alright, I'm seeing that in there. And okay. Alright, I'm going to have to set this up here. But I do want to talk about what it comes with. I'm just seeing this here for now. Is it come with a charging cord or anything like that? I'm not really seeing one here. But let's pull this out here if we can. Boy, I'm just having a heck of a time doing this, aren't I? Alright. Okay, there we go. I got some instructions. Oh man, no charging cord. I was actually surprised. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can do here as soon as I get this set up. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up here. And let's see. I was kind of hoping you would just kind of notice it. But I'm not really seeing any button to figure out how to get this thing here. I'm just trying to figure out how to make this thing pair. Otherwise, I might have to just go with the instructions. Oh my gosh. You know, I got a comment the other day about somebody who was going like, hey, how come you didn't go do the instructions first? And it's like, because I'm trying to see how instinctive the product is. In this case, I felt like this should just kind of do it, and it does. Aha, I proved myself right. Oh yeah, I'll take that, you commentator. No, come on, you have a right to say a comment. So, alright, I can't figure out really how to do this here. So, how do these clip on here? Okay, I'm just gonna, I'm hitting a, oh, here we go. Okay, so it's kind of like this maybe? Alright, I'm just gonna just kind of go for it here. It's always difficult when I've got, say, let's see, I'm gonna kind of like clip-on earrings maybe? Oh, weird. Okay, so, hopefully I'm doing this right. Let's just say, okay. Huh. I don't know. I mean, these aren't exactly bone conduction and stuff. Oh, man. Okay, I feel like I'm really making this harder than it actually is. Alright, let me pick something to play on this thing here, and hopefully this will turn out okay. Okay, so apparently these things have a biometric, or biomimetic, ear hook, and I'm hearing it now, and it's pretty darn good, I gotta say. So I've just gotta say, like, wow, this is pretty awesome here. So let's talk about some of the other features on this. First of all, it's got 10mm dynamic driver for 360 panoramic sound. I also testify it's pretty good. Granted, all I'm doing is just testing on just basic videos that I'm just watching on TikTok or stuff like that. But you get what I'm saying. You got the good sound here. Should I test it out on something harder? Like some good music? Yeah, I probably should. Yeah, the sound is pretty good, all I gotta say. In fact, this is studio calibrated sound, which apparently it's refined through lab calibration. So that's pretty good. Precise frequency balance, natural tonality, and rich detail across bass, mids, and highs for studio quality listening experience. Yeah, I'm just reading that off, but I'm experiencing it right now, if you don't believe me. Yeah! Okay, there's also apparently dual microphones in here, so when you want to take your phone calls, you can do that. And it's also, it says all day comfortable fit, which, okay. I think I'd have to shake my head pretty hard to make these things come off. They really do stay on there really well. Not only that, they're durable IPX5 rated, so I'm guessing that's good enough for against sweat. Not really certain here. So, is this available here right now? Geez, I hope so. Okay, apparently it is available for about $39.99. Granted, that's a markdown price. It's regularly $49.99. So you can get it there at the 1More site, and yeah, it's pretty decent, I have to say. All right, what else have we got here? Okay, now let's open up the Pixie Mini wireless microphone. Wireless microphone. Do we need it? Of course we do. I use it all the time. In fact, I have one from Hollyland on me right now. And I think the best thing we can do is really just demonstrate this product. And yeah, we'll hook this up and all right. We'll hook this up and stuff. But first, I want to show you what it just comes with. That's pretty much it, what is in here. So it zips up pretty well. So what do we got here? Well, you've got the, I'm assuming, presumably, the microphones themselves. I really like how they pack in here very compactly. But I mean, hey, that just sort of happens, doesn't it? And they also come with this, oh, hello. The instructions are here, and they also come with a big poofy thing, because we all need the big poofy thing. Actually, I don't really use the big poofy thing. I don't know why the big poofy thing is here. Should I use the big poofy thing? Does my other mics come with a big poofy thing? I don't even know. What else is in here? This looks like a charging cable. And yeah, I'm just going to say that's what it is, but just to confirm, I want to just double check. So, all right, I'm seeing some tabs of some type. Huh, very cool. And charging cable? Charging cable? Yep, there it is. Very small one. Oh, USB-C to USB-C. Also see this thing. Not really sure what this is. I'll try and get a close-up of it. Oh, I see. It's an adapter for the iPhone. It's got the lightning cable. Wow, haven't seen that in a while. Are we past that area yet? I don't think so. I'm not sure what this is here, but it's very magnetic, whatever it is. So, okay, maybe that's meant to hold this in place. I don't know. And honestly, I'm seeing this box, which has this plastic thing on it that I'm really having a hard time getting off. So, oh, there we go. Okay. And then we got this thing here, which is, okay. This is obviously made to plug in your phone, which is why they got the adapter here, in case you have an older iPhone, I guess. Yeah, it just makes sense. Does it work here? Well, I don't have an older iPhone, so I wouldn't know. And then, so from there, we got this, which is the actual things themselves. There they are. Okay, there's one mic, and there's another. And then here is, I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Okay, here's what I believe this should do. And you know what here we're going to do? We're going to unplug our mic. Oh, yes. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Actually, I don't even know. Okay, as you can see, I've got the mic on me right now, and I'm hoping the sound is a lot better than what I just demonstrated before. Now, I've got it magnetically mounted here because it came like that, but there's also a, oh, maybe I should better demonstrate it like this. There's also this clip thing that kind of works and can mount on the back like that, and then you can just clip it on yourself. So all in all, I mean, I'm hoping this sounds good. I can really only demonstrate it that way, and hopefully I don't have to do this footage again. If I do, I'll do it. But hey, you know how it is. Okay, so what do, I'm assuming that hearing is believing, so what you hear should sound pretty good, right? So I'm told this is feather light and ultra compact, and I will testify that it is. Definitely fits in something like this, or if you want to the whole package, wrap it up in something like this. And should I try the poofy part? You know what? Maybe I will try the poofy part. But so it's got a dual receiver, instant setup. Kind of wish I had another person here. We can demonstrate that. I'm just going to go with one for now because the first time I've done the things like this, I've had two people demonstrated this. I'm just going to assume that if it works with one, it works with two. I mean, after all, I plugged in the receiver on the end, so yeah. I don't know if you saw that or not, but oh yeah, you didn't see that because I didn't film it. So apparently it's 360 high sensitivity pickup. So I'm going to do a compare and contrast on this. I mean, I'm probably editing my video. I'm talking. Okay, obviously I'm not doing it right now, but I'm going to edit this, and and then I'm going to hear like, okay, does this sound pretty good? If so, I might need to replace my newer mics. Or wait, no, I don't even use those mics. What am I using now? Oh yeah, I usually use this Hollyland mics. I've used both of those, so I've got a lot of mic experience here. And hey, these things come in handy, and I love taking them too. And I should probably mention this. We're going to go to CES here in about a month, and we're definitely going to try out these things, which are very necessary because, I mean, that's a big convention, and I like to do interviews, and I'm going to need good sound, and there's a lot of background noise, so if I can actually do a good thing with one of these microphones, works out really well. Okay, so what do we got? We got high fidelity audio recording, 4 modes to match your every movement. Well, I definitely got to, 4 modes to match your every moment. Okay, gonna have to check out on that. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with this here. So let me get you the price. It's about $89.99, but I'm seeing it as a price here for about $69.99. So we'll see which one is actually, there's $69.99 might be a temporary markdown. But hey, give it a shot here. So, what more can I say? Okay, that's count them two products from 1More, but it certainly won't be our last review from 1More. So in other words, this isn't our 1More and that's it review. I've told that joke so many times. They're both available for the price that I've mentioned before, and this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.